Alright, here first we have the 12-pin power source cable to power the motherboard. We have SATA cables. This is what you use to run your SSDs, your hard drives, and is your RAM slots. These would be running DDR3 RAM, PCI Express port. This is where you put your graphics card. This is basically to help cool down your CPU and to keep it at regular temperatures. If you see here, this goo part that you see here is called thermal paste. Thermal paste regulates your CPU's temperatures to keep it at a good temperature. If you see here, this is how you remove the CPU. Simply just pick it up. If you see here, this is what powers the fan and the CPU cooler. This is a 4-pin connector. If you see here, it says CPU fan. What you're going to do is connect the 4-pin to match it with this. Here is your mouse and keyboard connections if you want to go old school. Your monitor plug, your screw-in plug to obviously power your monitor. 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, your Ethernet port, your mic, your headphones, and then stop there. Alright, this is my own personal PC. This is the one I want to be sure that you don't short out any components like that. It'll just we're gonna need a screwdriver, RAM. I'm gonna show you how to install some RAM. This is DDR4 RAM. This is, I believe, 4 megahertz of HyperX for your RAM. A SLI bridge, because we're gonna show you how to put both graphics cards in SLI. One GTX 970 graphics card, the blower edition. This is the exhaust fan for the graphics card. This is what helps it cool it down. Coming on this side, this is what's going to connect to the computer. This little thing here is what this SLI bridge is going to go on. So let's get into it. First, we have to put in the RAM into the... If you don't have 4, what we're going to do is, if you see this little bed, and what you're going to do is carefully place it in the computer. Until both clips a HDMI on. As you see here, there's going to be clips like this, and on here, if you see here, we have to use a screw to screw it in. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. Here we're going to use both 6-pin connectors. We're going to put them into the graphics card here. Okay. Now we have both graphics cards together as one. Now what you're going to do is you're going to one, get the other, 2. And then you're gonna